This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Traveler B0 B9V9H8XZ and the Spirit 2 E-310 B0783 GVCFV. Both seem pretty popular, but they're clearly aimed at different grilling styles.
Yeah, I see that. The Traveler's all about portability, right? It's smaller, lighter at 32 pounds, and designed to fold up. The Spirit 2, on the other hand, is more of a stay-at-home grill.
Exactly. The Traveler's dimensions are 42.72 dx 43.6 inches WX 37.2 inches H, whereas the Spirit 2 is 27 dx 52 inches WX 44.5 inches H. So it's wider and a bit taller. Plus, the Spirit 2 is a natural gas grill, which means you need a gas line hookup. Traveler uses propane, either a small 1-pound tank or a larger one with an adapter.
Good point about the fuel type. That's a big difference. So if you're camping or tailgating, the Traveler is the obvious choice. But if you've got a patio and a natural gas line, the Spirit 2 might be more convenient.
Definitely. And the cooking space is different too. The Traveler fits about 15 burgers, while the Spirit 2 boasts 529 square inches of cooking space, enough for a real feast. It's got 3 burners compared to the Traveler's single burner, so more control over the heat.
More burners equals more options, right? You can sear on one side and keep things warm on the other. What about the price?
The Traveler is around $449, and the Spirit 2 is listed at $569. So the Spirit 2 is a bit more of an investment, but you're getting a larger grill with more features.
Both have porcelain-coated cast-iron cooking grates. The Spirit 2 has the GS4 grilling system, which sounds fancy.
Yeah, apparently it's all about improved ignition, burners, and grease management. The Traveler seems simpler, focusing on ease of use and portability. It even has tool hooks and a side table, which is pretty neat for a portable grill.
Okay, so it really boils down to lifestyle. If you're always on the go, the Traveler wins. If you're a serious home griller, the Spirit 2 is the better choice. Both Webers are reliable, and both have good customer reviews.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.